For more free videos, go to zeroxbilliards.com. All the videos are organized so learning the game of pool has never been easier. From fundamentals to kicking, banking, breaking, and cue ball control, we have all the videos you need to supercharge your game. Now I'm going to show you some shots that use maximum spin. And when I talk about maximum spin, I'm talking about the tip being way out here near the edge of the cue ball. And there are certain shots that you can only execute successfully with maximum spin. For instance, in this situation, I need to pocket the 5 ball and move around the 8 ball for position on my last solid. If I bump the 8 ball, I may tie it up with a stripe. And that's exactly what happened when I used high left or center left. Now I'm going to shoot this shot with maximum left, and I'm able to move around the 8 ball. Maximum spin allows the cue ball to move around in tight areas, since it really widens the angle coming off rails. For instance, in this game of 8 ball, I'm on my last ball but the 8 ball is surrounded by the stripes on the side rail. My position window is very small, so I need to pocket the 2 ball and have the cue ball travel to this area. And when I shoot this shot with center left, I end up in trouble. And the same thing happens when I shoot with high left. But using maximum left, watch how the angle widens once the cue ball strikes the end rail. And now I end up in my position area. Here's a great example of how maximum spin widens the angle. I'm going to shoot the 9 ball and end up here for a position on the 8 ball. And it's going to take very little effort to move the cue ball to this area. And you can see how the cue ball's angle widens once it strikes the end rail. Here's a typical example of when a strong player would use maximum spin. I need to pocket the 2 ball and end up here for the 8 ball. High right and center right won't be enough to get me to my position area. But using maximum right, I can really widen the angle coming off the side rail to get my shape on the 8. In this final example, I need to pocket the 10 ball and hold the cue ball for shape on the 8. Since I have quite a bit of an angle on the 10, even if I shoot softly, the cue ball runs away. This time I'm going to shoot the shot again, but this time I'm going to increase the angle on the 10, making the shot more difficult. But this time I'm going to shoot the shot with maximum left, and I'm able to hold position for the 8 ball. Shooting with maximum spin takes a great deal of practice. Shooting with this much spin really pushes the cue ball off the shooting line, so you have to learn how to make that adjustment when aiming your shot. And when you first try using maximum spin, you may miss the pocket by quite a bit. But sticker up the shot and keep shooting it until you can develop a feel for how much of an adjustment you need to make. To watch more free videos like this one, we set up a page that is filled with free videos covering every aspect of pool. All the free videos are organized by topic, so learning this great game of pool has never been easier. I put a link in the description that takes you directly to this webpage.